Hey cousin, let's make my favorite cake, carrot cake with a cream cheese frosting, all from scratch. To begin, I take the cream cheese and butter out of the fridge to bring them to room temperature and soften, and I preheat my oven to 350 degrees to guarantee a hot and ready oven. In a large bowl, I add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, a dash of ground ginger, ground cloves, a dash of salt. Combine and set aside. In another bowl, I add 3/4 of a cup of oil, 4 large eggs, combine that, and then I add 2 cups of brown sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla, half a cup of sour cream, and I mix until well blended. Then I combine the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. I'll be using a bag of shredded carrots to save time, but grating 5 medium carrots gives you 3 cups of shredded carrots, which is exactly what we need for this recipe. Add in the carrots and switch over to a spatula to fold it all in. At this point, you can add in coconut, raisins, pineapples, or nuts to the batter. I enjoy all of those variations, but classic is my favorite. I'm using 8x2 round pans that I spray with my trusty Pam baking spray and divide the batter into the 2 pans, spread it out evenly, and this bakes at 350 degrees for 40 minutes. Set a timer. In the meantime, let me share this pro tip. Let's say you forgot to bring the butter and cream cheese out of the fridge. I place them in a heat-safe bowl and place them on top of the stove while the oven is on. The heat from the oven will soften them in 20 minutes flat. When the timer goes off, remove the cakes from the pans and let them cool for 20 minutes. While they're cooling, I make my cream cheese frosting. I add the 2 softened sticks of butter to a bowl and I blend until smooth. Then I break in the block of cream cheese and I blend that until smooth. Next, I add a teaspoon of clear vanilla and 1.5 cups of powdered sugar. Combine, and that's our perfect cream cheese frosting. When it comes to frosting, there is really no wrong or right way to frost a cake. Since this is a 2-layer cake, I added frosting to the center, added the top cake, I frosted the top layer as well, and I sprinkled some chopped pecans over the top, and our carrot cake is done. This is what it looks like when it's freshly frosted and you cut into it. Now this is what it looks like after 2 hours, perfectly set and ready to share. Enjoy, cousins!